So the next thing we're going to do is change our theme, which is going to change the entire look of our site and make it look more like the custom website we're trying to build. To do this, we're just going to click where it says Appearance in our left dashboard menu, and that's going to show us any themes we have installed. So as we can see, I'm currently using the 2017 theme, as this is the one that's active on my site. Although you might have different themes installed on your site, as they do occasionally change them. If we wanted, we could activate one of these other themes on our site, but to be honest, there are much better themes we can use. So to install a new theme, we just need to click up at the top where it says Add New. That's going to bring us to this page where we can search through all the different free themes on offer. For this tutorial, we're going to be using the Rocked theme, which I think is not only a great theme that works for a ton of different website styles, but it's also perfect for anyone who's just getting started. Plus, it's the one we were looking at the start of this video. I'd recommend using the same theme while following along with the tutorial, but you can always come back and change it again later if you like. That's one of the many awesome things about WordPress themes. We can swap them at any time without the risk of losing any of our content. It's just going to change the look and style of our site. Then if we don't like it, we can always change it back. So to find the Rocked theme that we're going to be using, we can simply type the word Rocked into the search bar in the top right. Then we can hover our mouse over the theme and click Install. WordPress will then automatically unpack and install the theme in a matter of seconds. And once it's installed, we just need to click Activate. And now when we visit our site by clicking our site title at the top, we'll see that the entire look of our site has changed and it's already looking much better. Now, we haven't added any content to it yet, but it's still looking great.